This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and permissions. Check the wireless interface with IP link or IODEV to see its name. You need that to proceed. Once done, update the package DB and confirm IO, WPA supplicant, and Dialog or Network Manager are installed so you can scan and authenticate. Make sure you have the SSID and password handy. Manual entry is faster. Use sudo or root for the following commands so services can be started, and configuration files written without permission errors. You now scan and create the authentication config. Run IODEV interface scan to list SSIDs and note security. This tells you if WPA supplicant is needed. For WPA networks, generate a config with WPA passphrase, SSID password, redirecting to /etc/WPA supplicant /WPA supplicant. Confso PSKs aren't stored plain text. Once done, start WPA supplicant for that interface using systemtl enable, now WPA supplicant at interface. You finish by getting an IP and verifying connectivity. Run DHCP-CD interface or systemd start the DHCP client to receive an address. Verify with IP show and ping 8 to confirm. If you prefer GUI or simpler reconnection, install and enable Network Manager. This handles WPA auto and roaming. If things go wrong, check journoctl for WPA supplicant errors. Ensure rfkill does not block the device. Confirm correct drivers/firmware, and recheck interface name and SSID/password typos. Fix those and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.